If you ever looked at your grocery bill lately and thought, didn't they say inflation was cooling? You're not alone. Prices are still high, savings aren't stretching as far, and the market feels unpredictable. But what if I told you some of the root causes go back years to policies when we don't hear about anymore? When I was still licensed, I had to speak with strict company lines, which meant avoiding anything that sounded too political or too critical. But now I can speak freely. And if we're going to protect our money and our future, we have to understand what really changed under the Trump administration and how those changes still affect us today. Let's talk policy, not politics. In 2017, the Trump tax slashes corporate taxes from 35% down to 21%. Wall Street loved it. Stocks soared, but regular workers, we didn't see much of the long-term benefits. At the same time, Trump rolled back over 100 financial regulations. Deregulation made it easier for companies to borrow, invest, and spend, but it also created more risk, more debt, and less oversight. And then there were tariffs. The trade war with China disrupted supply chains. Costs rose behind the scenes, and today high prices still echoing from those battles. Now fast forward, we're in 2025. Inflation isn't under control. Not really. The Fed keeps trying to cool the economy by raising interest rates, but what does that really do? It punishes borrowers. It slows down small businesses. It rewards big banks and those who already have money. Meanwhile, global powers like China, Russia, and BRICS nations are quietly trying to move away from the US dollar. That's called de-dollarization. And if they succeed, the value of our currency could weaken. Add in the wars, elections, and global instability, and what we got is a market that's not broken, but it's definitely changing. So what do we do with all of this? First, don't panic. Panic is how people make emotional decisions and lose money. But do question old advice. This isn't the economy our parents retired in. Diversification now might mean having cash reserves, gold or commodities, even cautious exposure to international markets or crypto. Most importantly, learn to be nimble. This isn't a time to follow a script, unless my AI wrote it, which, in this case, credit goes to Nova. I'm not here to sell you fear. I'm here to help you see clearly. The rules have changed. The economy is shifting. But your power, that hasn't gone anywhere. Keep asking questions. Keep saving smart. And I'll be right here with a little help from Nova every step of the way.